trunk light. All right. There's 4 plastic tabs, 2 on each side that hold it in. It's the absolute stupidest design I've ever seen, because this is that really hard, easy to break, not flexible plastic. Why they designed it this way, God only knows. And also it sits in there this way, which is weird because the wire comes in this way. So the wire basically makes a U-turn and plugs in. Don't know why they do that. But anyway, it just snaps in, like, obviously has to go in this way first. But I mean, it just snaps in with these tabs, and trying to pry it out is a major operation. So even using a tool like this, trying to pry in there, what I found worked was if I could get it up in there and press in on these. The problem is they're easy to break. So I don't like this design. But nobody asked me when they were designing it. All right, adding light to the trunk. I've never been happy with this. This is not an adequate amount of trunk light. So if you've seen my cars, I've put 2 auxiliary lights, 1 on each side. I'm thinking about, for his, just putting 1 maybe right up in here so it kind of lights up. So important to note on the electrical, in Ford's Genius, instead of red hot, red is ground, green is hot. Green is full-time hot. The ground is only grounded when you open the trunk. So figure that one out. But you'll see when I pretend to open the trunk, light comes on. When I pretend to close, light goes off. Thought is maybe sticking it right up there to provide lighting. And I'll see if the camera can get a good view of that. That's what it's going to do. And obviously my finger's blocking part of it, but I'd say that works pretty well. Much better than the factory light, which is back there somewhere and obviously leaves a lot of dark spots. All right, it's all in. That's what it's going to look like when you pop the trunk. So I think that's way more adequate than the factory light, although the factory light's still in there too. But you see there's where the new LED is. There's the factory. So nice centralized location that lights up this whole area. So that should help him quite a bit. The ones I have in my car obviously are great. The downside is, since they're on there and there, they can blind you if you accidentally look at them, whereas this one, you're never really going to be able to stare at it. So I like this location.